Ayush, a big congratulations for your success to grab a job at Metaphor Consulting Campus Selection Drive Program.
Thank you, sir. It is all because of you that I am capable enough to grab this opportunity thrown at me with ease, sir. And I would also like to thank my Ajay Bhai who helped me coming to the Metaphor Consulting, sir.
It's really a great, Ayush. Now, being a student of Metaphor Consulting, can you share your personal experience about our training culture and training environment?
So the training culture here in Metaphor Consulting is very smooth for the students, sir. The faculty here go to great lengths, sir, in order to provide knowledge and experience to their students. I can say that because I have come from a commerce background and I knew nothing about SAP. But in this short period of 1 month, sir, I have not only experienced different things but also landed a job. It is all because of the smooth running of the faculty, sir.
Thank you, Ayush, for your valuable feedback. Definitely, we are moving ahead for your campus selection drive activities. Ayush, at the campus selection program, you are secured the job as a SAP PP consultant in one of our prestigious company. What is your opinion towards our campus drive selection activities?
As I said earlier, that the faculty go to great length to in order to give experience, knowledge, and whatever the experience they have gathered in all over the years to their students. It was a rather easy procedure for me because I had such a great faculty here, sir. They did everything for me, sir. They built my resume from scratch. They conducted classes for me for the skill development and also conducted, sir, more than two or three mock interviews, sir, which helped me in the main interview, sir.
Ayush, couple of personal questions we are trying to know from your side, although it is not the part of our today convocation. Ayush, are you feeling confident?
Yes, sir. I'm feeling total confident because I have my faculty with me.
Ayush, can you able to recommend anyone to join Metaphor Consulting for making their career in SAP?
Yes, sir, surely. I would definitely try to recommend my colleagues and my friends to Metaphor Consulting because it was a life changing experience here, sir.
Not last but least, we are trying to know one thing from your side, how much you are going to rate Metaphor Consulting by your personal experience. Think that 5 is the maximum one and 1 is the lowest one. So out of 5, how much you are going to rate ourselves?
As for me, sir, I would like to rate you more, but the circumstances are here giving me 5 only, so I would like to give you 5, sir.
Thank you, Ayush, for your valuable time towards review our organization and give the rating towards us. Once again, Ayush, congratulations to you for securing your dream come job in SAP profile.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for your precious time. We hope this information will help you to take the right decision. Thanks a lot. Thank you.